What's good, YouTube? Gary here with 5 Daily Breaks. Today is week 9, I believe, of our Tribune Tower. So let's get into it. Bam! So as you can see, we've got some more done over here. We also have raised up another floor. So this is coming along fairly well. What held up my progress here? Oh, I found some more of these and then quickly ran out. So I need to start ordering more of these because those are going to be integral. I've also ran out of these. I think these are these 1x4 or 1x6? I can't tell. This don't bother me. Let's see. Okay, I guess those are 4s. 1x4. Which I should have. I don't know. But anyway, you have to, this awning or whatever you call it, it's going to be over here as well. So it extends over there. And I'm just now realizing this is my sig fig. This is Barry from one of them Jurassic Worlds, which I think looks more like me than any other figure. But he just happens to match this building color scheme. Not intentional. But I'm liking the progress so far. I would say we are a quarter of the way there. Let me get down this level here. It's looking good. Starting to look like something. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Peace.